Good morning, class. We are discussing the chapters thoroughly. Now, what we are going to do is that chapter 24 we'll discuss, that is Nation's Pride. Now, here we'll discuss about some winners' name who actually prestigious with the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize, we heard this name from different fields they got and make us pride. So that is why the chapter's name is India's Prize. All belongs to India, and they in different aspects, different era, different subjects, they got the Nobel Prize and make us pride. So that is why we'll discuss about those names. Okay, some clues are given here and we have to identify with the clues only what is the name. So first one is that, see, he was the first Indian to win this prize. So he was the first Indian, first clue, and he won it in 1913 for his book Gitanjali. Is very well known and renowned person. We know that for Gitanjali he got the Nobel Prize, first Indian in 1913. Who is that? Rabindranath Tagore. So we'll write the first one, Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore is a prestigious person and he got the Nobel Prize first as an Indian in the field of writing. And we know Gitanjali is totally a poem, collection of poems. So on that he got the Nobel Prize. In which year and for what and which subject or what field actually belongs to, that we have to mention. So we'll prepare short note on the Rabindranath Tagore, why he is called the nation's pride. It question can come that why Rabindranath Tagore called nation's pride. Then you have to write that he was the first one who got the Nobel Prize for his writing Gitanjali in the year 1913. Okay, like that. Number 2, let's see. This person won this prize in 1983. He also got the Nobel Prize in 1983 for his contribution to the fields of physics. So he got the Nobel Prize for the field of physics. What he did? He studied about the stars and his subject were astronomy and mathematics. His name is Chandrasekhar. His name is Chandrasekhar. Okay, so he got the Nobel Prize 1983, and for the field of physics he studied for the stars. His main subjects is mathematics and astronomy. He got the Nobel Prize. Now years and the field, it is very important to remember. Names you can remember very easily, but it can be mess with the dates and all and the field. Okay, so Chandrasekhar, field is physics. He got his Nobel for studying the stars, astronomy and all. Number 3, he won this prize in 1930 for physics. See, he's also got the Nobel for physics, and he discovered a new type of light which bears his name, and he invented some light, and that is why it is Raman Ray. The name also given after him only, Raman Ray. So what is his name? Dr. C.V. Raman. Number 3 is Dr. C.V. Raman. Okay, Dr. C.V. Raman. So he has invented light. His field also physics. He invented a light whose name is given after him only. What is the name? Raman Ray. He owned 1930, he owned 1983, and he means Rabindranath Tagore owned 1913. So keep it in mind, the dates, it can mismatch. Number 4, she is a lady, woman. She received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. 1979 he got the Nobel Prize. She got the Nobel Prize, and she was the founder of the Missionaries of Charity. She is well known, Mother Teresa. We know the name, Mother Teresa. Okay, she is the founder of the Missionaries of Church, and she got the Nobel Prize as Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Now it can come with the match the following, can come with the dates, or it can come multiple type questions that who the founder of missionaries, then the other names are given also along with her. So you have to choose the correct one. Like that also it can come. Many ways are there to frame question on this chapter. So learn like that. Okay, so number 4 done. Number 5, the first Indian to win Nobel Prize in economics. So in economics, he got the first Nobel Prize in 1998. Who is that? Amartya Sen. For that only. Amartya Sen. He got the Nobel Prize first as an Indian in the field of economics in the year 1998. So learn it. Number 6, this person received the Nobel Prize in 1968 for his contribution in the field of medicine. Though he was born in India, he now lives in USA. Who is that? Hargobind Singh Khurana. The name is little bit big. Hargobind Singh. Or Hargobind Singh you can write. Hargobind Singh. Hargobind Singh Khurana. So he got the Nobel in the field of medicine and contribution in the medicine. He born in India, but now he lives in USA. Clear? So who is that? Hargobind Singh Khurana. So these are the 6 nations pride we have discussed. Why they got or why they told as nation pride, that also we have discussed. So your work will be learn them and frame questions on this chapter. Frame the questions and learn it. Clear? So read the chapter to this. Thank you class.